Yes, now you can.
Hi, good evening, all of you present here. This is Nikki. I am from Tikamgarh district, but currently I live in Bhopal city. I have completed my schooling from Chhatarpur district. Now I am pursuing BMLT from RKDF college. And my role model is Jeet sir and Vikas sir. My dream is I want to become a good and successful person in my life, and I want to glorify the name of my parents. So today I am going to share the unforgettable moment of my life. Uh,
Very good. Continue.
okay. I proudly represent the story of the love of Big Brother. When I was in Chhatarpur city, and I completing my I used to doing schooling with my brother, and me and my big brother living to each other, and we are used to live as a best friend, as a friend, and share everything to each other, and do many more talk and do many more discuss to each other. After 1 or 2 year passed, and my big brother has completed his 12th class, and he used to went to Kota city for doing the preparation of NEET. Approx 5 to 6 months he doing study very well, and he used to come in Bhopal city. He used to come in Bhopal city, and he used to doing the paper, doing the paper, and preparing of NEETs. After few months, he has qualified the NEET exam, and he is selected for the government college of Jabalpur, and he took the admission in government college, and he is doing their study very well. Then my brother went to Jabalpur, and I live in alone. Then I realized that my brother is very good, and I don't do the respect of my brother. I either tell the name of my brother is Bikku, and I don't give the respect. That time I think that I am not mature that time, but I realized that thing my brother is very good. He has always support me, and he do love me more, and he is doing many more things. So I think that time I realized that he is my big brother, and I called to Vinay Bhaiya. And whenever he completed first year, whenever he used to come in Bhopal city at my hometown, and I used to call him Vinay Bhaiya, and he also helped me many more moments, and he also bring many more clothes and many more things for me, and he also used to give me many more money, saving their pocket money, and we are doing many more things in our life. That time I mature, and I think I am become a mature boy, and I am doing my pharmacy. After completing my pharmacy, I live in Bhopal city, and my girlfriend leave me alone and say that जो करना है करो, भाड़ में जाओ, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मरना है मर जाओ, but मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. That time my brother tell me and suggest me and tell me many more things. You are the good boy, and you can do many things. That time I also and do nothing in my life, but that time I am also doing time pass and not doing in my life. Whenever when my brother uh, brother got when my brother passed away by the accident of bike accident, that time I realized that thing. Whenever my brother doing many more thing and support me as a like a brother and many more thing, that time I call to the name of Bikku and like many more thing. That time my brother is doing many more thing, and I think I am mature boy, and I do many more thing. My brother, he is supporting me at many more time. That time I realized that thing. uh, when I do the respect of my brother and many more things, when uh, and my brother used to when my brother passed away, that time I realized many more things. If I have I have one good brother, and he likes to support me, but nowadays I feel very bad if I have no big brother like them. But he is always with me like this, and he is always in my heart. And दे यूज टू फॉलो वन लाइन, अगर जिंदगी इम्तिहान लेना बंद कर दे तो ऐसी जिंदगी ही क्या. And and he used to help me many more. He helped me many more and support many more condition, and help, or he used to tell me, you don't do anything in your life. I become a doctor, and operate I started my hospital. You just open your medical and your lab, and do nothing, and you want to where you want to go there, here and bend, and whatever do you want to do. You don't nothing. I'll manage everything, but I depend on my big brother. Whenever my brother leave me alone, that time come in absolute class, and I think that I want to do something special in our life. And within 2023, I don't do anything. I do many more things in my life. Do baji party with my friend, smoke cigarette, and consume many more rasri. But when I was come in absolute class, Jeet sir and Vikas sir motivate me, and they tell me many more things. That's why I follow my passion, and my family also want to. I went to a medical field, but I don't want to go to a medical field. I follow my passion, and I am in the beginning of 2024. I am following my health also and my communication also, and I want to do many more things in my future, and I want to become a successful in our life with the help of my good mentors. And that's all about my brother. I want to dedicate 2 lines for my brother. आंसू पोंछ कर भी आपने मतलब हंसाया है मुझे, और मेरी गलती पर भी मुझे सीने से लगाया है। ऐसे भाई से क्यों प्यार ना हो जिसने मुझे जीना सिखाया है। थैंक यू एवरीवन। दिस इज नॉट स्टोरी, दिस इज नॉट स्टोरी बाय मी, दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ माय लाइफ। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला। एंड जो चीजें आपने बताई ना कि आप क्या थे पहले और फिर आपने बहुत सारी चीजों को ट्वीट करके आपने अपने पैशन को फॉलो किया। अब आप बहुत कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं। आई होप आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे भी आगे। वेरी गुड, बहुत
थैंक यू।
नेक्स्ट वन, अभिषेक। अभिषेक बोलिए। अभिषेक
Vivek, Abhishek. Vivek, did you? Yes, Vivek, you can.
कम ऑन।
Nikki, yes.
I'll manage.
Did you stop? Okay. Vivek,